Good morning, students. Myself, Badri sir. Okay. Right. This is a very great experience, or we don't know what type of an experience is this one. Staying in homes. Okay. Right. Be safe and be healthy always. Listen your parents' words. Thank you. Right. Now this is for class 8. And we are discussing here linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. So, before starting this one, you must know what is meant by an equation. Before knowing that what is meant by equation, you must know about what is meant by an expression. Before that one, you must know what is meant by a term, what is meant by a variable, what is meant by a constant. So, basically all these terms come from algebra, a branch of mathematics, that deals with knowns and unknowns to solve the given problems. This is actual definition of algebra. So, algebra, a branch of mathematics. It is one of the most important branches, Nana. A branch of mathematics that deals with the knowns and unknowns. The knowns and unknowns to solve given problems. Okay, this is the definition of algebra. Let us see what are the knowns and what are the unknowns. Knowns are not, they are called as constants. Okay, the knowns whose values are always fixed. These are called as constants. Coming for the example of the constants, you all know very well. The example is nothing but numbers. You can take any type of number whose value will not change. So, you can take suppose 3, a natural number. You can take -7, an integer. You can take 0, a whole number. You can take 7/3, which is a prime, which is a fraction, or which is a rational number. Okay, you can take any type of number. All these numbers are considered as constants, which are called as knowns. And the next one, which are the unknowns to us, we call them as a variables. Okay, the unknowns whose value changes from problem to problem, okay, are called variables. Okay, English is very an important aspect in this chapter. It plays great role here. So, you must understand the term variables, which is formed by three words: vary, is, able. Variable is a term formed by 3 words, that is vary, is, able. Vary means change. Change is, able means possible. Change is possible, that is called as variables. Vary, is, able. Do you understand? Right. Now what are we discussing? We are discussing about the chapter linear equations in one variable, where you get algebra, constants and variables. The combination of the constants and the variables is nothing but called as a term. Okay? The combination of constants and variables. So, how do you make the combination? The combination is made just like as a product. So, we come to the next term, product of constants or variables or both is called a term. Is called a term. Whenever you enter into a term, so you must know the example here, that is I write 3 into 5, this is a term. If I write x into y, this is a term. You can write as minus 3 into x, this is a term. 7x square y, this is a term. So all of these are considered as terms. So term means a product of constants or variables or both is called as a term. Now the combination of the variables and constants is called as a term. Now the combination of the terms, what do you call that one as? The combination of terms. So how do you make a combination of terms? Yeah, very good, very good. You will add or you will subtract. Then you get an expression. You get an expression which is the combination of, okay, you write that one, the sum or difference of one or more terms is called an expression. Okay, is called an expression. So this is an expression. Let's take an example here. Okay, I take a term 3 into 5, 15, plus I take another term x into y, xy. So this is an expression. 15 plus xy. If I go for another one, x square plus 3x plus 5, this is also considered as another expression. So you go here minus 3x plus 7y, this is also considered as an expression. So expression is nothing but the combination of the terms, and the combination is made by sum or difference, and the combination is made by sum or difference of the terms. Now after knowing the expression, okay, after knowing the expression, you must know about the equation. So what is meant by equation? Okay, what is meant by equation? So equation is that one, an expression containing is equal to sign is called an equation, or this can also be defined as two expressions compared by is equal to sign is called an equation. Okay, is called an equation. Right, let's take an example for an equation. If we come to the example, if I write an expression, two expressions I write on both sides. So let's take an example. One, I write 3x plus 2 is equal to 7x. This is called a monomial expression because you have only one term there. And this is called as a binomial expression because you have two terms there. So these two expressions containing is equal to, they are compared with is equal to sign, or they are containing is equal to sign. Such type is called as an equation. Okay. Now I go to another example. I take x square plus 3x plus y square. 3xy plus y square is equal to 0 or is equal to 7. This is also considered as an equation. Okay guys, this is also considered as an equation. Is it clear? Right. Now you observe, we all have constant body parts. Okay, our body parts are constant. The next, we have variable thoughts. We have variables in talking our way of behaviors and everything. Our dresses are variables. Okay. Now these constant body parts along with the variables, we are nothing but terms. When these terms are combined with another terms, then we can show the expressions in our face. Okay. So these expressions can be evaluated by making them as equations. Okay. Right. Note down.